It's about 1:30 on Sunday. We went and picked up a treadmill for 175 bucks. Barely even used. And we stopped at McDonald's for our one fast food for the week. And it was terrible. Dardanelle McDonald's screws up everything all the time. And we're gonna go run over to Dairy Queen and get a little bit of ice cream. I wanted a snack size Frosty from Wendy's, but Dairy Queen's substantially better. And we gotta organize some stuff and get this treadmill into its spot and all that kind of stuff today. Go over to Walmart, get some totes so we can stack up all the totes in our apartment and get that in one spot and out our way instead of strewn about. Where's Dairy Queen even at?
Keep going.
Well, I realize that, but where is it at?
Right there on the left.
There it is. So we kind of taking it easy today, ish. But man, don't go to Dardanelle Walmart. Dardanelle McDonald's, I meant. The McDonald's over by Staples is 10 times better than that place, and the one by Staples is pretty crappy. But we have the puppies, and we're hanging out, and we're doing a few things. And now we're gonna have a treadmill so we can both lose weight and not have to go to the gym every day. So that's gonna be nice. Really looking forward to just having it in the other room. But we'll see how things go. I have a stamp I used to use in my old paperwork. Molly was having a bad dream. I tried to get up and walk over to her. She was flicking her foot. Didn't get it. Yeah. We're at home. Lighting's terrible. But we're gonna go down and get the stuff out of the truck. Or go over to the yard. Supposed to clean it out today.
Yeah, that's not happening. I have a migraine.
So we're organizing and stacking up stuff. We don't want to get another storage unit. But I need to go get the thing out of my truck, at least. Ashley's not feeling good, and what she fed me is not sitting in my stomach real great. But we should probably go to bed. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.